It's your boy Tyler Odin from affiliate.watch. If you saw an ad on this video, that's because my channel just got monetized and I wanted to show you guys how long it takes to get your monetization enabled after you hit your 1,000 subscribers and 240,000 minutes of watch time. Okay, so now you can see my videos are monetized. I applied exactly 1 week ago, and this morning I woke up with an email saying that I was monetized. So it took me exactly 1 week to get monetized. Okay, and yeah guys, I'm super excited about that. I was laying off of videos until that happened, and now it's happened, so I'm going to be pumping out some more videos. I'm also working on the Affiliate Watch 2.0 version, and once that is out, I'm going to be focusing on a lot of videos reviewing specific single affiliate programs and showing you guys how to sign up to them and how much they pay and things like that. And if you liked this video and you found it helpful, make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe, and make sure to check out affiliate.watch. Peace out.